Back in the supercar street racing closet today, we got to do something with this guy. So this JBL Venue Sub 10 was bought in a thrift store. Back when I could get good things in the thrift store, I can no longer find stuff like this anymore, and I don't know why. This thing was in the closet in the hallway. It did eventually die. I'm assuming the amp was bad, so I have a replacement amp for this, and all we have to do today at Supercar Street Racing is go ahead, get this subwoofer out. It is heavy, it's a 10. Get it out of the closet and then bring it into the office and fix it. So let's get busy today. We got to get the subwoofer working again so we can have 1,000 subwoofers in my house. All right, we got the replacement amp for the Sub, the JBL Venue Sub 10 right here. This fan is loud, so that's what you're hearing. We're gonna go ahead and get this sub taken apart now and replace this amplifier. You can see right here, don't know when this was actually manufactured. I would say this thing's probably 10 years old or more, but let's go ahead and get this done real quick. Got the JBL Venue Sub 10 right here in front of us, looking so fresh and fly, and it is ready to come apart. I think these are the screws to take it out. Pretty sure this amplifier is completely fried. If not, we spent $30 for nothing. I think this is a 250 watt. Okay, it just sealed really well. There's a gasket. Yep. There's a gasket around it. Keep it airtight. Wow. That is a short, very difficult to get the wires off the sub. Now looking inside of the Venue, there is the sub. The wire is extremely short, and there's the new pigtail wire. Positive was on the right side. That was the one that was really hard to get off. It is so short. How in the world are you supposed to get that on there? I mean, I guess it will go. I can't get the black one to stay in. It's loose. It's broken.
Got him! Got him!
It broke.
Oh! Whoa!
And I have to repair it.
Whoa!
All right, well, the wire broke, the clip. Okay, I have to cut and splice because the clip broke. So I'm gonna take the black off of this one, and in the meanwhile, give myself a little bit more room. Need my strippers.
Got him! Got him!
Got this wire strip back here. Just gotta cut this one off. Do the same. This clip is broken. Okay, got it stripped back. Just gonna splice them together like that and zip some electrical tape around them. No biggie. And now I have more room to actually work. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this guy in. It's not exactly easy. All right, that was much easier. And then all we have to do is put our gasket back, return our amplifier to working condition. Back in the Supercar Street Racing closet now, and we are going to wire up this subwoofer. We don't need much wire, actually, because we're just gonna bridge off the other one so that we can get 1 million comments about the ohm load. I need my wire strippers, this is crazy. It is so hot outside. We got our wires all stripped back now, so all we have to do is connect this guy up. Should not be difficult, unless the wire won't fit inside of the terminals, but let's see. And we're gonna do positive is going to be the side with the writing on it. Okay, this might be harder than I thought.
Got him! Got him!
All right, we are all done with the project. You can tell that the JBL hits much lower than the Sony. You can just feel the frequency response is lower and its output is so much better. So yeah, this is all done. This project is finished. We have successfully replaced the amplifier in the JBL Venue Sub. And that is all for now. We'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing once again, and we are here in the 4K production studio, as you can see right behind me. And today we're talking about something that I have a lot of experience with, and that is powered subwoofers. And you know that I have quite a few. I probably have about 10 of them. There is one here in the studio and quite a few more inside the Supercar Street Racing compound. So today what we did was our old JBL powered subwoofer that I did get at a thrift store died for some reason. It was in the closet, in the audio closet in the house. We did pick up a amplifier for it for all the haters, because they said when I replaced my amp in my Serwin Vega subwoofer, I wasn't really repairing it. So this time we repaired it again with a new JBL original plate amplifier, and it did get repaired correctly and looks and sounds really good again. Now, taking a look at some of the powered subwoofers on Amazon, which I will link in the description, you can see that there are quite a few Klipsch on the very top, and they all have very good reviews. Like the R125W, you can see right here. This one has a lot of good solid reviews. It is a 12-inch woofer, and looks like it's sitting at about a 4.8, which is very difficult in a speaker to get reviews that high. Now, looking back on the front page, there are a few other ones up here, like Audio Engines S8, the Soundtown Oberon, which actually looks like a Pro because it has this big kind of pro-looking grill on the front, or grate if you want to call it. And then if we scroll down some more, there's a couple of other Klipsch's. There's a 10-inch Klipsch there as well for $179. And if we get even further down, you'll find one of my favorite subwoofers, and that is the PSW10 by Polk. It is a good value. It has gone up in price lately. Used to be able to get it for $159. I can't believe that, but now it's sitting up at about $249. Also has a lot of good reviews, over 15,000 reviews, and it is sitting at over 4.5 stars. So that would be another good option for you if you are looking for a powered subwoofer. Now, like I said, I'll put 3 options down in the description for you to pick out a good powered subwoofer for your home. But check it out right here. We've got things like the ELAC for $149, which also has 1,039 really good reviews. Now, some that you may or may not have heard of, because I sure haven't. We have the Rel and we have the Edifer as other choices for subs. And then if we keep going down, there's some like the Kanto, which I also have not even heard of. So there are a lot of choices out there for a powered subwoofer. I love all my powered subwoofers, so you know what I have. You've seen some in my videos. You can always go back and watch some of those older videos. But for now, we are going to be calling it a day at Supercar Street Racing. We have to go shoot another video for the golf cart of some products that we just got in. Please like and subscribe, and always order your Amazon products through any of my product links. If you click on a link in the description and then order anything, doesn't have to be that product, it helps out Supercar Street Racing so much, because you know we don't make any money on the channel, we actually lose money. Now we got to get out of here. We got to go shoot and edit another video today.